Oh, see, the van couldn't make it.
My biggest fear is if we stop.
That is serious. The van couldn't make it.
A Range Rover is going to try. It will make it because it's a Range Rover, but...
To Dagenham via Cambridge.
Beckton. No, that's families.
This route, I think, before, when the traffic was so bad. We're gonna go via East Ham, Manor Park.
Have you ever watched dash cams?
Ooh.
Oh my days, on YouTube. If you just type in UK dash cam, there's some real idiots in this place. That's some things that are just so unbelievable that if someone didn't catch it on camera, you wouldn't believe happened.
Yeah, at times people do silly things. Where did we pick Rice's car from?
Romford.
Okay.
VW Romford. I can't believe. Imagine if she had.
Yeah, brand new car.
I've seen that though. There was a Lamborghini, brand new.
No, in less than 5 minutes.
When they talk about a stone's throw from the. Oh.
I don't know, before they used to deliver new cars.
I think you can still get them.
Because I remember when I bought Volvo. I told you about that Volvo.
You had a Volvo?
It was the thing at the time. I showed you the model and you just laughed.
I think you showed me, but I don't actually remember. You didn't have you didn't have it when I was alive.
No.
It was the Peugeot. Oh yeah, no, you did tell me about it. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. And it was delivered with a bunch of flowers.
That's nice.
Back seat. That's why I couldn't understand why they couldn't deliver Racer's car. Can you imagine?
They can, but it's more like a. I think you might even have to pay, for delivery. I think it's like an extra.
Why did we come to this road?
The shortest route back.
It's a bit like Queen, isn't it? It's a bit like Uganda. This road.
Right about now, big puddles on one side, potholes everywhere.
Yeah. You don't want to be on this road you go when you got a backache. Whoa.
Queen, is this you?
No, why not?
stopping or what? Sorry, guys.
He's one of those hesitant drivers. Should I go? Should I not? Is it safe to go? It's a lovely park. I would be using that park if I was living around here. You remember that lady doctor? I think she's our relative. She's been in Oxford with her husband.
I know exactly. Manuela's mum.
Yeah, are they still in Oxford? I think she had to go to Australia.
I don't have a clue. But yeah, I know you're talking about.
You know, some people, I don't know even if they are related to us.
You just know you know them.
At times, we just feel, yeah, it's one of Fred's relatives.
His relatives.
Yeah, because he knows so many people that we even don't know. But I think because it's one of this kind of guy who is keen to keep that relationship going.
Yeah.
Relatives, which is really nice.
For the best though. Especially here in this big place.
Yeah.
Because you can meet someone, the person's pregnant, you bring them home and you find out that's your cousin.
Yeah. Because I've met so many people that I didn't know even they're related to us. You reckon that was the farm that got started? No,
Revived.
Revive, yeah. Is it? I wonder if that's a private school.
No,
Oh,
Newham,
public. Yeah, public.
Newham Sixth Form Centre. Maybe. In Newham.
It looks like one of those.
Maybe I'm not giving
What
Newham
I
the
call-
respect it deserves. Barking Road.
What's the no? This thing is gonna go public, so I can't ask. I was gonna ask something to do with African politics. Yeah, that's a massive school.
I think some of this is actually just a library.
Okay.
And then that's the library's older newspaper.
Technical college.
Yeah. thing here that's saying 20, but there's no way this is a road for 20.
No.
I can't wait to get my second dose of vaccine so I can leave this place and go to an ambalist country.
On your left, look at the banana trees.
Ah, they're suffering today. Yeah, I just want to go somewhere, auntie, anywhere.
Even me, I'd love to go somewhere. But for me, I guess because of my eyes,
Yeah.
it'd have to be Nairobi first. Then I would love to go to Addis Ababa. Rosette keeps asking me to go to Addis Ababa. And then Emmanuel in Washington. That should really help my video if I go to Africa.
Yeah. What? The colours.
Yeah. It's something totally different as well, which everyone will be curious to see.
Is Kenya still on the red list?
I think so. I don't know. Yeah.
You're doubled up in it. Okay, so once they're on the amber list, you can go if you want.
Oh, can I?
Yeah, once they're on the amber list, if you're double vaccinated, you don't have to isolate when you come back.
Wow.
As long as you've got a negative test, I believe. That's why I don't. Ooh.
There's more flooding.
Once I get the second one,
Yeah.
I think even for my birthday, I might just go on a holiday by myself.
The councils need to improve. You know, it can't be driving like this. So what happens if it rains like this for the whole week? We'll be buying boats.
You saw that?
I saw, yeah.
I was on a motorbike. Would have been home like 50 minutes ago.
It's traffic everywhere.
I got a ticket in a yellow box, and ever since then now I'm scared to enter any of them.
A yellow box?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The one I did, it was the bus that, you know, the bus let me down. The bus didn't do what I thought it would do, and so I ended up in the yellow
And
box.
it's expensive. It's about 60 quid or
Yeah.
something.
Because I was saying to Mum, it came at 10:45 near Lambeth North Station. I'm saying to Mum, there's no way I'm sat in any type of traffic at 10:45 at night. So, but the video they sent me, I mean, the letter they sent just had the picture, and it was pitch black, all you could see was a number plate. So I went online and watched the video. Paid that immediately because it was horrendous.
You know, yeah.
It was horrendous.
Yeah. Oh.
When I watched it, it was horrendous. It was my own stupidity.
Because I had one as well, but I managed to argue myself out of it.
No, when I watched it,
because it was just like the boot hanging on it.
No, for me the back tires were, but you know what it was?
Yeah.
You could see, if you was being generous, you could see I did try and make an effort. Once I realised I couldn't stop, I did try and but
it's their way of getting money as well.
yeah. But I was in the wrong. It was horrendous. I said, yeah, no, Mum, take my money.
that's really good. You know, you're in the wrong. There's no point arguing it. You just pay before they start topping it up.
Yeah, because after 14 days is what? 130 something. I'd rather pay 60.
And you must have been on Labour Council area.
Yep.
They're so quick to charge Labour.
But you know what though? It took ages. This was from April. It only came last week. Like 2 weeks ago. It was in April. April or May?
Uh-oh.
There we go.
I've never been here. I don't remember seeing that
Parking.
roundabout with that.
Parking tube station's just there.
Okay. I think we made a mistake using this route.
No, it's quick. Okay. We're just gonna come from a different direction. When you get, you'll see it.
Okay.
It's like the Heathway side. That's where we're gonna come out.
All right.
You know, like if we go, you know, when you go to our church.
Yeah.
If you continue going, it will bring you this way.
All right. Okay. When we get home, I need to put medicine in my eye. That's lucky I brought medicine. It's lucky. Because first I was thinking, no, maybe no need to take the medicine because I'm going to be dropped back home. But I don't know, something just told me
How
take
has
medicine
your eye
anyway.
been with this sun recently?
Oh, it's been bad. It has been bad. But not so bad like before. Definitely a hell lot of improvement in my eye.
Yeah, no.
If I hadn't gone to Africa, I'd be blind now, I think.
Yeah, no, there was a point I
I'll be
was...
using a white stick, probably.
There was a point I was genuinely worried for you. Now, although I'm still worried for you,
Yeah,
I can see that it's manageable, so it's fine.
yeah,
It's annoying for you,
yeah.
but it's manageable.
It's manageable.
Before it was like...
Yeah, I was badly off that time. Remember, you know, that professor already told me I was just left a month before he was about to declare me disabled.
Legally blind, isn't it?
Legally blind. Queen, have you fallen asleep? Oh. Oh, obviously not quite, because you answered. It's for Muslims.
No, Sikh. I don't know what it's called. Temple,
Temple.
obviously.
Oh yeah.
Church, mosque, synagogue. Sikhs. They're actually Sikh. They're not Sikh, innit? They're Sikh, not Sikh.
You're correct, yeah.
So they pray in a temple. Hindus,
Yeah.
what do they pray in?
Hindus have a temple as well.
Okay. And then Buddhists also
They
temple.
have a temple.
Okay. It's really nice though. I actually wanted to see inside it.
Yeah, you can. Probably, most likely, they're gonna allow you. They're quite, you know, man to man, they're kind of like generous. But probably a woman wouldn't be. Oh no, we're caught again.
No. I'm just not gonna stop. And then when I do, I'm gonna be right here.
Oh yeah, you're right there. I can't believe they do have about, is it about 495 seats in prison? I was kind of like surprised
What would the sick do?
because I'm like, you know what? The reason I'm surprised, because they're more like kind of like peaceful religion. Yeah, really peaceful. So I was really surprised.
Then again, when you think there's like 80 to 90,000 men in prison, 400 ain't that much.
Yeah, exactly. That's like 1%. Right?
Yeah.
You know, I was even, when I was reading the figures, I was thinking, I'd be interested to find out what did they actually do.
Murder.
Because they're really like very good people. As like in their religion, ask them to basically have respect, love for everyone. Okay, Christianity is the same, but you know,
Yeah, it's. I know what you mean.
Christians
Yeah.
are so lax about the whole thing.
I had a sick teacher.
Yeah.
He was from Kenya. Maths teacher. I can't remember what his name is.
There's something about Kenya, about going international and teaching maths. Yeah.
I'd like to go to Kenya again.
Yeah, I would love to go to Kenya as well.
How much do you think it would cost for me to get a few teeth done in Kenya?
If you what?
Teeth.
It's going to be a lot cheaper than here.
Yeah.
A lot cheaper.
Because so I have a filling on the left side,
Yeah.
and that tooth is broken in, I won't say a half, because I was eating popcorn one time, bit the corn, cracked the tooth, years ago. So, but it missed the nerve, so it doesn't hurt at all, no pain. But obviously I've got half a tooth. I've got two fillings on this side.
Yeah.
So I would actually like to remove them and have
The what do you call it? That artificial one. Yeah. It's definitely going to be cheaper than here. Because if you think, like my eyes, I don't know if I'd gone private with my eyes. Maybe I would have to sell my place. Yeah. And I know people in this country who have sold their houses because they won't fix their teeth.
Yeah, no, not the teeth. For eyes, yes.
Yeah, but
not
even
teeth.
not teeth.
Don't need
To me, I was thinking that's really like getting your priorities totally wrong. You sell the whole house because you want new teeth. No, I'll stay with that gap.
Yeah, parking station is just behind
Parking,
us.
yeah.
Oh well, that way, but
This area, like a lot of Asians live here.
yeah. A lot of Redbridge has a lot of Asian communities, like Ilford and stuff.
Yeah.
Do you remember when we went to that car show?
Yeah.
Me and you, yeah?
Yeah.
We sat in a Tesla.
Yeah.
It didn't really register to me that we sat in a Tesla until a couple of years ago. Because then I saw a video of the Tesla we sat in, because it was a sports car, 2-seater. It was on a TV show.
Okay.
Someone was using that Tesla, but in America, because I've never seen it here.
Oh wow. Yeah, and those cars were foreign actually.
Yeah.
Most of them had come from the US.
Because now we've got Teslas everywhere.
Yeah.
It's the police.
We're going to be here for a while as well.
Hopefully once we cross these lights though, it should be clear. That's what I like this app, it shows me what properly, not like the other one. So I know once we cross the lights,
Yeah.
it should be all Gucci. See
Yeah.
that?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I learned to drive in a Fiesta, just like that.
Wow.
Do you remember what car you learned to drive in?
Yeah, it was Fiesta.
Is it?
But the tiny one, this is still big
Yeah.
compared to the one I use. It was really tiny. And I think that time probably I really, even now I love driving, but I think that time was really like exceptional. And I already told myself there's no way I'm gonna fail in this tiny little car. It just felt like a toy to me. Yeah. And my instructor was so good. He told me, relax. Prior to the test, he told me he's going to be using, he was teaching me driving in a big car, bigger engine. And so for the test, he uses his wife's car because it's so small. Now, that time I didn't realize now, but with hindsight, that's why he was doing well. All his pupils were passing first time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's weird, yeah?
Yeah.
The best way for a driving instructor's business to like thrive is to actually get rid of people in a weird way. Like if people are coming back, you've got a bigger problem.
A problem, exactly.
You don't really want repeat customers.
No, you don't want. No, that's one of those businesses you don't want to repeat. It means there's no progress. You begin asking, why are people failing?
Have you been in one of these Teslas? Have you been in these Teslas?
No.
Oh, they're really nice. I went in I think it's the Model X when we were in Dubai.
Oh.
The one that the doors,
Yeah.
but it's big though, it's really big, but the doors open up.
Yeah.
So fast as well.
I just find this car, the way the doors open, that's so bizarre.
It is.
I feel it's not even user friendly. It's just like for showing off.
It is for showing off. You can actually make the car dance. It plays music and it will do like dance, like little movements with all the doors.
Yeah.
And I think next time maybe on holiday you should rent and drive and see how it is.
They need to do something with these roads.
What are you smiling at, Queen?
I think you're tired.
No, I'm just bored. Traffic bores me, it doesn't make me tired.
Today
It should be us passengers who are bored, not you.
If I'm driving, I like to actually drive. These guys are killing this police, man. Until they stop coming, you can't. Territorial support.
I think maybe the normal police must be having COVID. Isn't it irritating? You find, some offices, like closed and all that, shortage of staff, you got to wait. I'm getting tired of it. They're all using this reason, it's COVID.
Yeah, because you know the problem they're having, yeah? If one person gets COVID, well, everyone has to self-isolate, but
yeah,
it's messing up a lot of things.
Yeah.
I think they should just, if someone tests positive, everyone should just have to take a test every day.
Exactly.
For that isolation period, because it's not fair, and it just causes issues.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the plates. I was thinking, what's that rattling noise? I used to learn how to drive around here.
Oh wow.
Know these streets like the back of my hand.
That's nice.
You know, this is how they, Queen.
Yep.
You see what Auntie's doing here? You know that's how they used to do the thing for the theory test.
Oh.
The hazard perception bit. Literally what Auntie, just there, the camera set up and it would just record. And then obviously over time they built up enough hazards.
Actually, yeah, there's a point.
But now, like when I actually passed mine, it was like an animated.
Animated.
So then it was even more obvious. It's like they didn't want you to fail.
The houses are tucked back. Have you seen some of these houses whereby you step outside from your house straight to the street?
Yeah. The only thing worse than that is like, is it the A40? Is that, no, it's not the A40. What's the road? You know, on the way to Heathrow? Before the M4, you know, the bit before the M4 when it.
Oh yeah, I know what you mean.
That them houses there, or like the houses on the A12, and I just feel I couldn't think of anywhere worse to live. And they're always big houses. Those houses are big.
Yeah.
I'd rather live in a small house. Constant noise.
Traffic, dirt, especially during summertime. hot and you can't even open your window because exhaust, fumes. This place looks run down
To park in Dagenham. Don't even need this sat nav.
If I knew this was happening, I should have brought my laptop. But I can transfer this
Straight away, innit? Have you ever had a crash?
That's a strange question to ask. No?
You've never crashed? Or never had a collision with someone?
No.
Oh, okay.
Have you?
Never. because you've been driving for so long,
Yeah.
even obviously you can have an accident, it's not your fault. It's possible, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, we're avoiding the Heathway. But you know what I was saying, if we come from church,
Yeah.
it's that one there.
All right. Okay.
That's the church down there on that road.
See, that one is not tight.
Yeah. But it's the same distance as the other one. It's just when the more things they put next to it, it's like, ah. This is the top of the Heathway.
All right. I still think Indians live here.
Auntie,
Hmm?
do you do talk overs for the videos?
Yeah, but right now I'm not doing on this one. But yeah, I've got a setup in the house, right?
Ooh, that bird nearly got itself killed. This is where I walk up to Queen. You know when I used to walk, I would walk either that way and come to here and then go back down the Eve way and back.
Which one is this?
This is Oxlow Lane.
That's for exercise.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Getting people's shops as well. The way you've done it today, this driving, it's like you're a taxi guy.
Don't know if it's a compliment or not.
Yeah, it's a compliment. You've
Got
worked
plates in the
your
back.
huh?
Got plates in the back. I've got to be smooth regardless of my decision.
Side plates. You got 10 of them.
10? Taxi drivers just have the funniest stories with people.
Yeah. And some people really open up to taxi drivers.
Yeah.
So like it's like getting therapy for a taxi driver. We actually drove past home.
We just come from the top rather than coming from
Yeah.
the bottom.
Do you know what Immaculate was studying for?
No clue. I didn't know she was studying at all.
Okay. She used to work for Price Waterhouse.
Yeah, someone was telling me that recently.
Yeah, she's actually accomplished accountant. So that's why I'm curious what I find out what she was studying for.
This here is gonna, when it dries,
Mm.
the pothole is gonna come back. They repair it at least once a year.
Not in my wildest dreams did I expect to come here today.
Oh. Really?
Mhm.
We bombarded Auntie's day. Now she and sisters are taking a selfie.
Oh, it's okay. I was going to ask something, but no not while we're recording.
You think Grandma's going for a walk?
No,
She went
in the morning.
Alright.
Grandma's smart though, because no matter what happens, the weather's usually okay in the morning. She gets her walk out of the way.
Yeah. Okay, this is it. I never take people all the way.